guys, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video on Bugley, our T3 bus. Now when we did our service a little while back, if you didn't see the video, I'll try and put a link up there somehow. We found a little issue with the cooling system. I'll give you a quick show. Sorry if I wobble you. Alright, here we go. So we got our pressurised bottle down there, and as you can see we've got a bit of a leak in here. Can you see that? I'll put you in the old shadow there. Let's have a look. See. So we've got a bit of a water leak here. It looks like it's coming from here because it's dry up there. So I reckon it's our level switch in there has got a bit of a leak. So we're going to whoop this one. All I'm going to do is, in theory, we shouldn't get fluid out of this as long as we haven't got a leak at the front. I'm going to just pull it up out the way and see if I can have a look, see what's going on there. Right, so here's the tank. Basically, I'm going to take off the two screws, one there, and see if I can lift it up and sort of tilt it, so hopefully the fluid will stay in there. We shall see. Got to take that one off first, if I can. It's a bit tight. There she goes. Keep this one up, because if you drop it down, you'll empty out your expansion tank. So I'll just hook that up in there somewhere. And what will happen is I'll probably knock it out later and not notice and empty my tank. But there we go. Let's undo this one. Hook that one out of the way. Oh, these aren't very tight. Only ickle little screws. I have sprayed these with easing oil just to make sure they went. Oh, they are loose anyway. I don't know if these are the only two. There's a bit of a longer screw this side. A lot longer screw that side. Oh, that's it. Oh, it's fairly weighty. I suppose it's full of water. I should expect that, really. Right, now if I've got that like that, that will leak everywhere. Bear with me, I'm going to get a block of wood. Think rest on there. See if that works. No. Right, well, don't know if that's going to leak everywhere when I do it. There's still fluid in there. There's a wipe. I think I'm going to try and suck some water out of this. I've just got myself a bottle and my turkey baster, and I'm going to suck some water out of this, try and lower the level. Perhaps, oh, I should have done that before I unbolted it. There we go. Ooh, doesn't look so clean in there. Oh, it's not too bad, it's just a bit scummy on top. I can hear it drawing in air now, so I need to raise the level of it a bit. Let's put that on before I spill it everywhere. Right, that looks like the level's lower. And this looks like it's been off before. Alright, let's see if I can find a tool for that. So, 32mm socket seems to fit okay-ish. These are metre inch, so they always feel a bit loose. Let's see if we can undo it. Oh, alright then. It's not tight at all. Was that why it was leaking? Oh, I don't know what's supposed to be sealing in there. It's all very, very mucky. Let's give it a clean up. Alright, so we've just given it a good clean up, and it looks like it just seals on this sort of area here. It's made out of plastic, it's not rubber or anything. So I reckon that just goes in on that that face there. So I know it wasn't very tight, so that might be the issue, but I think what I'm going to do is just put a bit of thread tape round just to give it a bit more of a chance. There we go, I'll just put a tiny bit of thread tape on it, mainly on this sealing area there. I'll see what it feels like when I put it in, so hopefully it'll just feel nice. I'm surprised it's like this, but I've lost my socket. Where's my socket? There. It definitely wasn't very tight, but I suppose it can't be that tight because there's only plastic in plastic. Yeah. Oh, sorry for a noise. I've got some work going on outside. So I'm just going to snug it up. That's firm. And then we're going to have to start it up and try it, I think. But I am going to... Oh, sprayed water everywhere. I'm going to bolt it back down and then put that fluid back in it. I can hear it bubbling. Yeah, there's water coming back in. Just for now, we just fill this up. What come out? It's not the cleanest actually. I need to do that. And yeah, we'll just top it up for now and then worry about the rest of that later. Let's see if it leaks first. Get some pressure on it. Right. I'll put the same screws back in where they came out from. I might find some better fitting ones, or look for some better fitting ones. Tight. Tight. Dalek is tight. Put that on. And then plug that back on. Right, let's start her up and see what happens. Right, there you go. It's dry as a bone. We let it all warm up, so that is all good. I don't know if you can see from there. You can see the water level has gone down, but that's okay because as soon as it warms, as soon as it cools down, this water cool down, and we'll be sucking water back in from our non-pressure reservoir. So this might go down a bit because obviously I'll let a bit of air in and stuff like that, and we'll see how it goes. I might have to bleed a bit of air out of the radiator. I'll have a look later. But problem in hand, which is this, leaking, sorted. Lovely jubbly. Well, that failed miserably, didn't it? Let's whip it out and see what's happened. Well, I am an idiot thinking that Volkswagen would just use a plastic face to seal in there, and to show you how much of an idiot it is, I've bought a new one. Can you see the subtle difference? Yeah, that's actually an O-ring. Even though it's hard as nails and looks like a piece of plastic, it's an O-ring. I am a plonker. So this is from Brickworks. It was about, I can't remember, 10 or 12 quid. That's the part number. It's any use to you. Yeah, so ultimately what I should have done is thought that'll be an O-ring, even though it is extremely flat. Doesn't matter if I damage this one because I got a new one, obviously. Look at the state of that. Yeah, it's hard as nails. That's supposed to be round. But hey, don't follow what I do there because I'm like I say, a complete pillock. But yeah, so I got a nice new one to put in. So I'm just going to screw it in and repeat as before. I won't put you through that. And then we'll try it later. And there we are, all fitted like we were a few days ago. So I'm just going to warm up the engine and bleed it from the radiator, and then hopefully off we jolly well go. And there we go, nice and dry. Right guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Sorry for my cock up. At least you know now that there's supposed to be an O-ring on there and it isn't just a machine plastic seal, why I thought that, I don't know, but there we go. Anyway, if there's any of use to you, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe, see future videos, have a look at our old videos if you want. There's some odd funny ones in there, maybe. I don't know, it's up to you. Give us some feedback, ask us some questions. Catch up with us on Instagram on larks_workshop, and I hope to see you next time. Stay safe. Cheers then. I could just throw my screwdriver on the floor though. Oh, it's gone right along there. Blah, 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 blah.